Sometimes you need to add rung to your ladder, or based off your drawing, it is needed to add rung. Therefore, there is a tool that makes it possible to do it. As you know, the first thing that is adding reference number to the ladder. Here I have 5 rungs and decide to add number 6 to it. So to do that, I'm going to edit wire numbers panel, and here just choose the revised ladder. As you can see, the modify line reference number dialog is opened. Here we have several edit boxes to change or revise the ladder. To add the number, I have to type 6 in rung edit box because the last number was 5. Now select the OK button. Here you can see the reference number which I added. Here I'm going to lengthen the bus wires or rails. For the second time, I'm going to edit wire numbers panel to select Add Rung tool. After that, you have to choose the point. Inside the space between two wires bus, and the ladder rung will be added at the line reference which is nearest to the point you have selected. Finally, the added rung is shown here, and you can simply modify and add rung to your ladder. Also, it is possible to reposition and create the ladder to wherever you want. To do that, just select the whole ladder and just right click and here choose Move. As you see, just by moving it and place the ladder at the point by clicking at that point, it can be done. All parts of ladder as rungs or buses can be removed. Just you have to select them and press this key to erase them.